Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this YouTube channel. In today's another video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can download and install the WhatsApp on your Windows. So in your phone, it is just very easy and that is through the Google Play Store. But in your Windows, you also have that and that is through the Microsoft Store and it is just for free. So let's go quick into the process. Go ahead in the Windows search bar and type Store. Now you will find Microsoft Store under the best match. Just simply click on that. Now here in the Microsoft Store window, click on the search bar and simply type WhatsApp. Hit enter. And here you'll find this WhatsApp which is for free. Click on that. It has also high ratings and garnered a lot of stars and simply click on this get button. And wait for this to be downloaded and installed into your Windows. Okay, so let's just wait in a while. Now it's done installed. So let's close this and search for WhatsApp in the Windows search bar. You can also pin this taskbar so that you can easily open it. So click on this option, pin to taskbar. Now let's open it. Double click and click on get started. Now here, you'll find this instructions. So what you can do is you need to follow it. You need to get your mobile phone. And once you get your mobile phone, you need to open WhatsApp on your mobile phone, and you have to click the three dots on the top right corner, which is the settings. And here in the three dots, you will find the link devices. So simply click on link devices. And after that, you need to scan the QR code here on your Windows. So this QR code, you need to scan this on your phone. So scan the QR code using your phone, and then after that you will be logged in directly into your WhatsApp on your Windows. Or you can also link with phone number from here and just simply enter your phone number. So that's it. I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this channel for more tutorials. Thank you for watching.